Hello everyone. I thought it was time that I did a better job of that contraption that I did last time. My previous video showed my first attempt, which was connecting from there all the way up to there. I've now welded that bar on there, tapped and drilled to take M5 bolts, and I've also tapped and drilled the side of the foot pedal to take more 5mm bolts. I now have complete adjustment on that and on there. These adjusting rods are new because the original ones could not use the original ones. If you remember, that was like that. So that has made a big difference. And the springs are now attached in a far more professional manner. It works pretty well. I'm going to play around with the spring tension and maybe, just maybe, have a bar there to get this extended further out. But that's going to be trial and error. I am now going to move the camera up and show you it in operation. So this is going to be a bit wobbly for a little while I adjust the tripod. It's a nice quick acting tripod as well. What do I need to do? It's a bit skew with. Why is okay. There we go. And the light source I need to bring up. Bring the light source a bit closer. Oops. There we are. Yes, you'll be able to see it working. Can't see my foot pedal, can you? No. It doesn't matter. Not really serious, you can't see the foot pedal in operation. I've been experimenting, as you can see. Not bad. Front, this is the rear side, and that's the front side. And I think my tension on the threads is just about perfect. That's double. This is single. Top side, rear side, or back side, as our US brothers say. Tension looks perfect. So let's show you it in operation. Slowly, slowly, catchy monkey. Look at that. What more do you want from a leather sewing machine or industrial sewing machine? Absolutely perfect. Very pleased. Compared to what it was like when I first got it, Chalk and cheese. I think I'm getting a bit of oil coming down. I think I may have oiled it a bit too much. That's what I've just done, that one up there. And the back side, absolutely perfect. Thread tension looks perfect. I am more than pleased. Happy. Good. Let's get that up onto YouTube and Facebook so I can start boasting. Switch off. Yes, that conversion, tidying up that foot pedal attachment to the clutch lever has worked perfectly. More than happy. Let's focus down onto the clutch pedal. There it is. As you can see, very easy. Can I get clutch pedal and no, I don't want to go to portrait mode if I can help it. Let's go back a bit. Maybe I can get both in. Am I going to get both in? No. No, I'll have to use my Canon. No, this is alright for now. Cheery bye.